Hello students, welcome back to Dr. Shorab's classes. Today we are discussing another beautiful numerical analysis question from the ISS Statistics Paper 1 2026 examination. ISS examination conducted by the UPSC is the famous for testing not only the statistical concepts but also the numerical methods, computational mathematics and scientific computing techniques. And questions from the numerical integration are particularly important because they combine the formula knowledge with the calculation speed. And today's problem is based on one of the most important methods of the numerical integration. Simpson's one-third rule. And this rule appears regularly in the competitive examinations and various statistical mathematical competitions. Okay. So let's learn how to solve it quickly and accurately. Read the question first. It is given that f of 1 is 1, f of 2 is 0.5, f of 3 is 0.3, f of 4 is 0.25 and f of 5 is 0.20. What is the estimated value of the integration 1 to 5 f of x dx when estimated by Simpson's one-third rule? And we have four options. Okay. Now, before substituting the numbers, always identify which numerical integration formula is required over here. The question clearly says Simpson's one-third rule, and therefore we immediately think about this formula. Okay, so this is the most important formula of today's question. Now, students often memorize the formulas without understanding them. Notice the pattern 1, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 1. Okay, so this coefficient pattern is the entire heart of the Simpson's rule. Whenever you see Simpson's one-third rule, your brain should immediately think about 1, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 1, this series. Okay, now the x values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The spacing is uniform. So therefore, h is 2 minus 1. This is 1. So h is 1. Okay. Now, organize the function values. So let y0, this is f of 1. This is 1. y1, this is f of 2. This is 0.5. y2, this is f of 3, this is 0.3, y4, y3, this is f of 4, so this is 0.25, and y4, this is f of 5, so this is 0.20. Okay, now apply the Simpson's one-third rule using the formula. Just a second. So, yes, h by 3 into y0 plus y4 plus 4 into y1 plus y3 plus 2y. Substitute the values. Now simplify carefully. First calculate 0.5 plus 0.25. So this is 0.75. And if we are doing this multiplication, so this will be 3. Okay. And this is 0.6. Now the bracket becomes 1 plus 0.2 plus 3 plus 0.60. So this is 4.80 by 3. So this will be 1.60. Okay. So what is the final answer? I is 1.60. Now come to the options. Yes, option number A. So option number A is the right answer. Okay. Now, observe something interesting. Instead of writing the complete formula every time, immediately write the coefficient pattern. For the values 1, 0.5, 0.3, 0.25, 0.20, multiply directly. Okay. Then simply just divide by 3. So this saves nearly 30 seconds in a competitive examination. Now, students often ask me like, ma'am, why we not use the trapezoidal rule? Good question. Trapezoidal rule approximates the curve by the straight lines and the error depends on the second derivative, f double dash x. And Simpson's one-third rule approximates the curve using a parabola and it depends on the fourth derivative. And since higher order information is used and Simpson's rule is usually much more accurate. And this is why the engineers, statisticians, physicists and the economists frequently use this. Okay. So clear? Bye-bye.